If you're shopping for a 55-inch 4K TV and don't want to overspend, the TCL 55-inch Class S 5 Series 4 KLED Smart Google TV is worth a look. Quick context, I had to mount this above my fireplace, replacing an old non-smart Sharp TV. So this wasn't just a swap, it was a full upgrade. Design-wise, TCL keeps it clean. Thin bezels, slim profile, and a lightweight build made the wall mount manageable. It looks more premium than the price suggests, blends into the room, and won't dominate visually. Setup is straightforward, and it sits nicely above the fireplace without feeling bulky. Picture quality is where it shines. This 4Ku HD panel at 3840 by 2160 with HDR10 and HLG support delivers sharper detail, vibrant colors, and better dynamic range than my old Sharp. No, it's not LED, blacks aren't perfect, but for Netflix, YouTube, sports, and casual gaming, it's clear, crisp, and bright enough for most living rooms. Out-of-the-box colors are solid, and minor tweaks make it even better. Smart features are a big advantage. Instead of Roku, it runs Google TV. That means built-in Chromecast, Google Assistant voice control, personalized recommendations, and full access to the Google Play Store. Compared to my old non-smart setup, everything is integrated, responsive, and easy to navigate. Audio is average on its own, but Dolby Atmos support through HDMI EARC lets a soundbar turn this into a mini home theater. For gaming, it's a 60 Hz panel with low input lag and auto low latency mode, great for 4K 60 frames per second console play, though not for competitive 120 Hz gamers. Bottom line, the TCL 55S551G isn't a flagship, but it dominates value. You get 4K, HDR, Google TV, and solid all-around performance without paying top-tier prices. If you're upgrading from an older non-smart TV, mounting it above a fireplace like I did, or just want maximum bang for your buck, this TV delivers.